So it's mad hot. It gotta be like 102 or something out here. She got me out here walking to, we don't even know. Trying to surprise somebody. And we better not have no 30-minute walk because I'll be walking 15. I'm not doing that. The rest, we got the, let me jump on your back or something. We out in Las Vegas, Nevada. Trying to see where we going. My birthday today, turned 30. Dirty 30. I ain't dirty though. But we're gonna see what she got surprising me. Crazy how they just try to get you everything in there probably cheap. We're gonna see what it be like. Let you guys see that, see what's in there. Who is that right there? Hey girl. Hey yeah, you girl. What your name be like? What your name be like? Tell you guys, man, it is hot out here. It is hot. Getting somewhere, we're getting hot now. Circus, something popping in here. I don't know what it is, but something in here is popping in here. Thank you.
Thank you, babe.
Okay, got a car spinning in there. You really got the whole car right there.
Hi guys, did we get your complimentation? You're gonna be here a couple minutes?
No. It's nice in here, fellas. Real nice. Real nice. Got the Krispy Kremes over there I see coming up. Might grab me a donut. Oh, they got a roller coaster in there. In my hotel, that's all. Oh, the steakhouse. Okay. Okay. Fancy.
Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you.
Please enjoy. See first, I'll put it in for you.
Thank you.
Please.
Okay.
I didn't even get the appetizer, but it was so good.
Okay. One lemon. Squeeze lemon.
Right in the middle, screen share. Happy birthday. Here's a couple forks.
Happy
Like
birthday.
coffee or anything else for you?
No, thank you.
Very good. Enjoy.
All right, thank you.
Can you tell me what the floor area that you reduced it to? So that you don't tell us we did the way we're supposed to.
Happy birthday to your boy.
So no
30-30.
pretty economic.
You guys, that was awesome. Stuff. They gave me cake, gave me mashed potatoes, gave me the best salmon, sweet chili sauce, asparagus. Excuse me. Pardon me. I'm gonna laugh. That was awesome.
About to end the night with the birthday boy. Him and his shades, I can't.
Don't be hating on the shades. The shades is just compliments everything. You know what I'm saying?
I'll be trying to figure out who he think he is. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, 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 get it. Hey, hey. King, do you love me? See where this night brings us. Let me get your little outfit of the day.
Light work.
Huh?
Did you?
Tits out. About to go have fun.
Yeah, I got you.
Let's go. Let's go sit down.
No, you be the most. complimentary.
Complimentary?
Yeah.
Complimentary.
We just gonna go with this. We got the champagne for free.
It's a part of the package.
Part of the package.
Champagne toast then.
Come on out. You and Group B also?
Yes.
Yes.
What are your first names?
Cheyenne.
Tyrell.
Cheyenne and Tyrell. Excellent. In front of the aircraft. After the flight, I'll give you some time to take some pictures.
Okay.
With your own cell phone. Yeah, you're welcome. Everybody's first time in a helicopter?
Yeah.
Yeah. Almost everybody. Our aircraft when we get there, we're going to do a couple quick things. I have to do a safety briefing, so I'm going to explain how to use seatbelts, emergency exits, keep coming. The photographer will come and take those photos. So while we're waiting, I'm just going to explain about the doors. Doors are operated by me, so don't open them at any time. While we're flying, of course, but also when we land. When the flight's completed, stay in your seats and wait for me to come and open your doors for you. I am going to show you how the doors open though, because they are the emergency exits. So there's 3 doors to the helicopter. 2 doors in front, 1 door in the back. All have a black lever on the inside. You lift up on 1, 2, 3. Miss will have you next to him, and I'm gonna have you on the outside. Okay.
Bae, you ain't gonna help me in?
Oh no, I'm going all the way across.
1, 2, 3.
She can get, yeah, she can sit there if you prefer. Go ahead and jump in there for me. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Connecticut's a little bit greener than Las Vegas.
Yeah.
You guys ever been out here before?
No, first time.
First time in Vegas?
Yeah.
First time, not the last either.
So you're having fun then?
Oh yes.
Which hotel are you staying in?
Hilton.
Hilton, nice.
Yeah.
That's a good one. I like it. Your first time in Vegas?
Have you guys been to Fremont Street?
Oh, really?
No, we were told to go there yesterday. We were told.
That's a cool spot.
Yeah.
It's like old Vegas, but it's so much more fun down there.
Oh,
That's the
okay.
downtown part, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was working.
Oh, I got music up here.
I'll have some music playing for you. You should be able to hear me in your headset now. And when you talk, you should also be able to hear yourself. If you can't, you need to put the microphone closer and speak with a stronger voice.
you.
Thank you, miss. It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for following us, man. Hey, guys.
Did you enjoy your experience?
I enjoyed 1, 2, 3, 4 days of excitement.
You have a happy wife. You have a happy husband.
I definitely
He enjoyed his birthday. That means I did the damn thing.
Yup.
Now what we gonna do tonight? You gonna do something or you just want to chill?
Oh nah, we cool. That's it. We did enough.
We did enough. It's time to go. Vacation has come to an end.
It was nice knowing you, Vegas.
Goodbye, room. I'm at house.
Goodbye, mini apartment. Goodbye, stove.
Goodbye, sink. Goodbye, couch.
Goodbye, hot tub.
Goodbye, bed. Goodbye, tub, aka slippery. Uh-oh. Goodbye, shower. Goodbye, sink. Goodbye, favorite kitchen. We packed and ready. Oh, wait. Goodbye, view.
Awesome, I got a bunch of souvenirs. You're in trouble.
Thank you.
I found that out myself. I'm gonna put this back there. Yeah, you got it, Dash. It's my last stop, so we're going to the airport.
Okay, good.
The back seat, I think, is open.
Excuse me. Good.
Yeah.